Today I'm going to blow your mind with a tool that will make taking out seams or taking apart jeans a snap. I decided to go shopping at the Confident Stitches online website. The Confident Stitch is a sewing store in Missoula, Montana, and they have an amazing selection of fabrics, notions, books, patterns, tools for every kind of sewing project. They feature garment sewing fabrics, books, and patterns, and also quilting fabric books and patterns. I looked at their holiday gift guide and a couple things caught my eye, and I decided that I needed one of these things for myself. And then I bought a second one so I can give one away to one of you lucky subscribers watching me here. I also bought a little gift for myself. So let's see what's in the box. I already opened the box because I wanted to play with the tool that's going to blow your mind. So let me start with the thing I got for myself. So this caught my eye. Let's see what it is. It's very rare that I have time to make something for myself. And, while I'm sewing for myself, it has occurred to me that maybe I'd like to put a label in my garment. And I've seen some cool labels, but this I thought was really, really cool. It's a festive bauble. This caught my eye right away. This would make a wonderful gift for a sewer on your list because you can actually hang it up like a Christmas ornament. I thought that was very cool. It is Labels by KATM, and I really was attracted to this for myself because when I make a garment for myself, which is far and few between because I'm so busy, every time I finish, I think to myself, wow, I could sew a label in there, to make it special. So when I saw this, I thought, ooh, perfect. So let's look and see what's inside here. This is a went outside of my comfort zone pin. That's kind of cool. And then let's see. Okay, so in here we also have a seam guide or a little gauge. That's cool. And then a bunch of labels. So I'm going to be adding labels to my projects. I think this is so fun. So really, I bought myself well, I'll hang it on my tree. A little gift for myself. Let's look at these labels. Oh, good things take time. Happiness is a finished project. I love that one. Feasting attire. Oh, look at this cute little high. It's a little t-shirt label. That's adorable. Secret PJs. What does this one say? This one says, love you more than fries. To me, from me. Perfect. And homemade and perfect fit. I think this is an amazing collection of labels that I can sew into my garment. So this is a gift I got for myself, and I am very, very pleased with it. But as you can see, I'm just going to put all these labels back in this little box here for now so I don't lose them. And the little sewing gauge and the little I went out of my way pin. But again, just to remind you, very cute holiday gift idea. So you can grab this. They're 25% off today, Monday, the 27th. All right, now let's get to the main feature of the show. This is the Kai seam remover. Now notice I didn't say seam ripper, I said seam remover. And I have a friend who uses a razor blade to do all of her seam removing, and that thing scares the death out of me because I'm pretty sure I would, maybe remove a finger or something trying to use it. This is Jennifer proof, it's safe, and you are going to be so excited when you see how easy it is to take out heavy seams and lightweight seams. So it's got a protective cover, okay? And the blade itself is a serrated edge, and if you notice, I can run it on my hand and it doesn't cut me, which is something I love. But then look what it does for hard to remove seams, back tacks, and easy seams. I'm going to start with a belt loop. If you're taking apart jeans to upcycle a project, a lot of times you need to get through things like bar tacks. So I'm just going to flip this around, and I'm going to take out this bar tack right here. Wait till you see how easy it is. All I have to do is literally run the serrated edge between the belt loop and the jean, just gently pressing. And look it's off. All right, so look how nice and easy that came apart. You can also use it to take apart top stitching. I love this. If you need to remove a pocket, all you need to do is start along the side, running the tip of the seam ripper in there, and then watch. This is such a game changer from trying to pick it out from the surface, or trying to slide that skinny little blade from a traditional seam ripper. See? And look there's no damage to the denim. There's no damage to the pocket. You can also use it to take out, you know, a traditional seam. Let me find one. These are jeans I've been working on to make vintage flare, so I've got different seams here that I've already taken apart. Let's take apart this seam. So the first thing is, you know, getting in here, and then I can get the harder part where it's back tacked at the bottom. Once it's started to be opened like this, all I really have to do here is, you know, run my blade right up the denim. Look at how easy that takes apart the seam. So I've shown you how it works with heavy fabric. Let me show you something lightweight. This is a silk charmeuse shirt that I was working on to test my bias sleeve and armhole. And I just want to show you here. I started to take this apart in practicing, and I think you can see there's no damage to the silk, you know, from the seam. And truth be told, I just zipped this together on my serger just to see if it fit. But basically, this blade is so nice to use. All I have to do is keep rubbing it along, and it's not damaging the fabric, it's just catching the threads. See? So it just does a wonderful job. So this is changing my life, the Kai Seam Remover. If you'd like a chance to win this lovely teal one, okay, so I have, you know, the one I've been using is this sort of periwinkle blue. The teal one I got to give away. If you'd like a chance to win this teal seam remover, all you have to do is comment in the description below that you would love to win this seam ripper or seam remover. And I'm going to pick a random winner, just like I did last week for the magic pins. And I will announce the winner during FabFit Friday. So this would make an amazing gift. And honestly, I don't want to even call this a stocking stuffer. I would keep this for yourself. I love this thing. So that is my cool tool for today. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I will have Fit Tip Tuesday tomorrow. It's a surprise topic, so you'll have to check that out at noon Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. I hope everybody had a fabulous Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching, and have a lovely rest of your day.